Hey guys, so this is item number one. I decided to use GeoGebra, the geometry app, to recreate that square that we were given for item number one to find the shaded region of. Um, I know this is right because it's got that square in the middle. They all got 90 degrees. Both these sets of lines are parallel. Okay, and then so what I did is I decided to find the area of the shaded region. I think the easiest way to do it will take the total area of this square, which is 25, because 5 by 5 for a square, and then subtract the area of all these little white right triangles in here. So I found this distance by using the GeoGebra distance from one point to another, and then we'll find this one here. So we know that a squared plus 2.6 squared is equal to 3 squared, which means a squared is equal to 2.24, because 9 minus 6.76 is 2.24. A is equal to square root of 2.24. Okay. And then, so we know that if these two are put together, they're going to form one rectangle, right? So I know that 2.6 times square root of 2.24 is equal to 3.891. We'll put a little ellipses there. All right, so this is the area of these two put together and the area of these two put together as well, because they're all going to be identical. So then I know that I can multiply this number here by 2, and we'll get 7.782, put a little ellipses, and then I know that this is the total area of all the white in the square there, so I know I could take 25 and subtract 7.782, and I'll come out with about 7.22. So that would be the area of the shaded region.